Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. Today we have a nice 12-minute workout, a little bit short of 12 minutes. We have 6 different exercises that are going to be cardio exercises, and in between those, we're going to do 30 seconds of push-ups. So it's going to be 1 minute of cardio, followed by 30 seconds of push-ups, followed by a 30-second rest interval. It's as easy as that. Always keep this in mind. If you cannot do an exercise for any reason, if you cannot do a jumping jack, you can walk in place. If you cannot do a full push-up, do a knee push-up. Replace the exercises. The whole point of Fit After 50 and being here with me, guys, is to get healthy and fit and come back for more workouts. The last thing we want to do is get hurt in any sort of way. So now that we get the introduction out of the way, let's get started. I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. Hi guys, welcome back. We're gonna get started in about 10 seconds. There should be a preview on the screen right now. We're starting off with jumping jacks. 1 minute of jumping jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice and easy. We're just warming up. And after this, we're gonna jump right into 30 seconds of push-ups. If these jumping jacks are hard on your knees in any sort of way, you might want to jog in place or just walk in place as you warm it up. We have about 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep it up. 10 seconds, and we go straight to the floor for push-ups. No rush on the push-ups. There's plenty of sets, 6 sets of push-ups. 3, 2, 1, and let's go on the floor. And give me 30 seconds of push-ups. Notice I'm not rushing these. Halfway done with the interval. Relax. All right, now we take a nice 30-second break. So that was set number 1. We have 5 more sets left. Whew, I'm a little bit out of breath already. Now we're running in place, followed by another 30 seconds of push-ups. And then we continue this pattern basically throughout the workout. Running in place as high as your knees want to go. I'm probably going to start off slower and then build into it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Run in place. Quick feet, that's all I want to see. Making sure this microphone doesn't fall off. And if it does, oh well, you lose me for a little bit until I pick it up. Hey, I always say my workouts are your workouts. One take, keep running. Quick feet. I don't care about the high knees so much. Notice my knees are not very high. If you want to do high knees, go for it. That's what I say. Otherwise, we just keep on running, keep moving. A little bit of cardio today. It's not so much about burning calories. It's more about getting a little bit of cardiovascular fitness. 15 seconds left. And then we're jumping down to the ground for another 30 seconds of push-ups. Keep running with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the ground. Give me push-ups. Keep it up, halfway. Two, 1, and relax. All right, 30-second break. Now we have 1 minute of burpees. You don't have to do a push-up on these burpees. Since we're doing a lot of push-ups today, you can. I'm gonna do it without a push-up. Why not? Nobody's forcing anybody to do anything, right? Now 10 seconds, and we're jumping into our burpees. You can also do a jump. No jump for me. There's gonna be some jumping here in this workout. Get on the ground and get back up. Ready? Let's go. Just gonna kick back and come back up. Nice and easy, no push up. And come back up. That's it. Ready? Keep everything nice and tight. Boom. And back up. And back up. And up. 30 seconds left. That's enough of cardio. I don't need a push up. And up. And up. And up. 15 seconds. Three, two, one. One more time. Push-ups. These are getting tougher. Halfway done. That's it. I always say, if you see me struggling, guys, on these workouts, there's no fluff here. I am working out with you. I'm breathing hard. All right, 1 minute of jump squats. I don't care how high you get off the ground on these, or if you get off the ground at all. I just want you to come back up quickly, all right? Or just get onto your tippy toes as you come back up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, down, and just a little jump. See that? That's it. Boom. Boom. Keep it up. Boom. Keep moving. Forty seconds left. Boom. Up. And up. Looking good, feeling better. Keep it up. Boom. 30 seconds. Twenty seconds. We're getting there. 4.5 minutes or so left of working out. 10 seconds. Keep with me, keep with me. 3, 2, 1, on the ground for push-ups. If you want to switch to knee push-ups, they're getting tough. Switch to knee push-ups. If not, regular push-ups. Mix them up. Ten seconds left. Last one. And relax. All right. Whew. Now we have a little bit of core. Still gonna be a minute. We're gonna do 1 minute of mountain climbers, followed by 30 seconds of push-ups. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy. I feel good. Feel good. Hopefully you're feeling good. Let's get going, guys. Let's get going. 5 seconds. Mountain climbers, get on the ground. Push-up position. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep it up. Nice and control. Get full extension on those legs. Keep it up. 30 seconds left. Keep running, keep jogging. You got this. I got this. 5, 4, fix my microphone, 3, 2, 1, push-ups. Let's go. See, it's okay to take a break. All right, 30-second break. Like I said, my workouts are your workouts. You know, I had to stop. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Catch your breath. Got 15 seconds left. Wipe your nose, and we'll get right back at it. We have 1 set left, guys. A little bit of candlestick exercise, a little bit of leg raise. Let's get down on the ground. And you're working that core. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up and out. Up and out. All the way up. If you can't do that, just definitely give me this. Otherwise, try to get that butt off the ground. Either way works. Either way is beautiful. Keep it up. 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 Looking good. Up. 20 seconds. Stay here. 10, 3, 2, 1. Last set of push-ups. Come on, flip on over with me. This is it. Ready? Let's go. Couple more. One more. Whew. Well, that built quickly, didn't it? Guys, thank you for joining me today for After 50. I had a great time, even though I had to stop once or twice. It's okay. If you did too, I did. Like I said, all the workouts are filled in one take, and my workout is always your workout. Once again, thank you for joining me at Fit After 50. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. So you'd like to come back for more, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys during next workout.